One of the most challenging concepts for, I think, all of us, but obviously I'm speaking in the area of recovery, is the notion of authenticity. What does it mean to be authentic? How can I be authentic? My dad, he likes to say you're authentic when you're dead. So his definition of authentic has to do with congruent, meaning your insides and your outsides matching, and he's a little bit cynical, so he says that's only happening when you're a skeleton, because a skeleton is really authentic at being a skeleton. Obviously, that's not useful for those of us who are living. And authenticity is one of those concepts that also comes from a particular type of experience. You know, a related notion to me that we talk about these days, the notion of flow states, is where I'm in a state of being where I'm not in my head trying to decide how I'm going to be. I'm not in the future necessarily tripping on, you know, whatever anxious ideas I have. I'm present, I'm here in the moment, and I'm being without effort. Being is flowing from me without effort. That's generally authenticity. Another way in which we understand the concept of authenticity has to do with in the interpersonal realm. Am I being authentic with somebody? Am I presenting myself to the best of my ability as I actually am? Am I authentic? Which is related to the notion of being truthful, and I also like the notion of being truth, meaning am I living and being truth? Am I embodying that to the best of my ability? Now, as humans, because we're living in time and space and in this cognitive realm where we're thinking and feeling and we have bodies and, you know, all of this stuff, the reason why my dad says something like you're authentic when you're dead is most of the time we're not operating from that authentic place. Neither can we just choose to be authentic in the moment, right? On some level, authenticity finds us in the journey at a particular moment. I mean, that deep authenticity that we're talking about. But what somebody can do, and Werner Erhard from Landmark Forum talks about this a lot, what somebody can do is they can be authentic about their inauthenticity. And so if, as a whole, you understand that you're not completely authentic, that you're a work in progress, which is another phrase we could dissect. If you understand that I'm a work in progress, that there are parts of me that are inauthentic, but I can be authentic about that, that is a solid foundation to build on towards authenticity. So being authentic about your inauthenticity is a huge part of the journey of recovery and transformation. I think probably at the higher levels, but in general.